Hey besties, welcome back to my channel, and today is your first time here. You're welcome to the family. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to curl and style your hair like this. Look how bouncy these curls are. Sis, you need this tutorial, so please stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing I went ahead to do was to spray some mixed protectants, then use my hot comb to straighten out the hair. So you can either use a blow dryer, you can use your flat iron. For me, I chose to use the hot comb today, just showing you guys many wonders hot comb can do. So hot comb is your best friend. If you haven't gotten yours, please head over to my website. It's www.madamtiticollection.com to get you a nice hot comb, okay? Okay guys, so I section out the hair into two parts. So the one that will be curling towards the right and the other ones towards the left. So I took a little section of the hair and I'm going to be curling away from the face. So hold the curling iron with your right hand. Use your left hand to roll the hair up twice. Come down slightly and roll back up until you reach the end of the hair. Hold it for 10 seconds and release it. Then use your clip to hold it in place. That's going to make the curls last long. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing throughout the entire hair. Guys, so to curl the other section, which is my left side, so I'm holding the curling iron with my left hand while using my right hand to roll the hair in between the barrel like we did on the other section, you know. Also keep it in mind that you're going to be coiling away from the face, okay? Curls are. So guys, so I noticed the curls were too big, so I just took a little section out of the hair and roll it and curl it back. And actually hold it. If you don't have clip, you're just gonna hold it till it cool off so it doesn't lose the curls. And voila, we're all done. So what I'm doing right now is using my hot comb to slick the frontal. You know, we want that relaxed looking closure rather. So the two parts that I section out from the closure, I curl still away from the face, going to the back. Just pay attention to what I'm doing. Sometimes these things can be so hard to explain. So I went ahead to spray some got to be fresh spray, allow it to cool off for about 20 minutes. You know, right now I'm cutting out the excess lace on the closure, and after 20 minutes I remove the clip. So let's style this baby. Yes. To style her, I use a wide tooth comb just to give it a nice comb, you know. So I went ahead to layer that part. I just used the comb and the, what's it called, the razor to cut it out. Yes, I did the same thing on the other parts. If you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to layer your hair, please leave me a comment down below and I will do a more detailed video for you guys. Okay, so I went back in to curl the hair again. So I went back in with my hot comb, because I'm trying to create leaves. So I just use the hot comb to comb in. Just pay attention to what I'm doing, so you get it. Okay, so, and that's it. You see how relaxed the front is looking? Yes, that's the magic of hot comb and wax stick. I also have wax stick available for sale on my website. So I went ahead to spray some got-to-be free sprays on my hand, then rub it on the hair. Then to create more lift, I used some clip to hold it, then spray some got-to-be free spray as well. Then I'm gonna leave it for some time, like 10-15 minutes. So right now I went ahead to use my foundation color to tint the lace. You can see how it's looking on my skin. So that's just me showing you guys that there's no band, there's no comb, there's nothing, no glue. That's because it's my perfect size. So she's super secure. Why? Because it's my perfect size. Can you guys see? Okay, let's arrange her back. To be honest with you guys, I just changed the closure of this hair. It's a hair that I've had for over 3 years. When you buy quality hair, you get value for your money. That's the truth. And if you are interested in this wig, definitely head over to my website. It's www.madamtittycollection.com, and please don't forget to follow me on social media. Slayed by MT, that's Slayed by Madam Titty herself. Yes, that's me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Alright guys, so that's it all about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.